Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. In today's video, I'm going to teach you switching out of S mode in Windows 10. Before we begin, here's a quick overview. Windows 10 in S mode is designed for speed and security by allowing only Microsoft Store apps and using Microsoft Edge for safe browsing. Some organizations choose to keep all devices in S mode for consistent security and easier management. If your device is managed by your workplace or school, you may be required to stay in S mode, so keep that in mind as you follow along. To get started, make sure you're on a Windows 10 PC that's currently in S mode and connected to the internet. Now open the Settings app. The easiest way is to click the Start button and select the gear icon, or use the Windows key plus I shortcut if you prefer. In Settings, select Update and Security, and then click Activation. This is where Windows shows your addition and activation details. On the activation page, look for the section labeled Switch to Windows 10 Home or Switch to Windows 10 Pro. That wording may vary slightly depending on your current edition, but it will specifically reference switching out of S mode. In that section, select the Go to the Store link. This opens a page in the Microsoft Store dedicated to switching out of S mode. On the Store page, you'll see an explanation of what switching out of S mode means. It's free, but it's a one-way change. Once you leave S mode, you can't go back on that device. That trade-off allows you to install apps from outside the Microsoft Store, which increases flexibility but can reduce the built-in protections S mode provides. Take a moment to review the details on that page so you're confident about the choice that's right for you. A few helpful tips as you proceed. If you don't see the switch section in activation, your device might not be in S mode, or it might be managed by an organization that restricts switching. In that case, check with your IT administrator. If the Store page doesn't load, verify your internet connection and try again. You may be asked to sign in with a Microsoft account to access the Store content. That's normal behavior for some Store features. After you open the Store page from the activation screen, Windows will guide you through the process right there. When it's complete, your device will no longer be in S mode, and you'll be able to install apps from a broader range of sources. If you decide to keep your device in S mode, simply close the Store and carry on as usual. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the best choice for your setup. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.